What is predictive maintenance and why does it matter for parcel operations? In parcel logistics, every minute counts. Predictive maintenance uses embedded data in advanced systems like the POSI sorter to collect near real-time data. AI algorithms then analyze this data to anticipate equipment issues before they happen, especially in high-impact areas like diverts. Instead of relying on fixed inspection schedules, it flags anomalies early, helping teams avoid surprises, reducing downtime by accurately pinpointing the issue in the sorter, and keeping parcels moving efficiently. What's the challenge without predictive maintenance? Many parcel sites still rely on manual inspections and reactive maintenance. That means planned downtime for checks, even when assets are functioning well, and unplanned stoppages when failures occur. A single divert failure can hold up sorter processing over 10,000 parcels per hour. The result? Lost productivity, missed KPIs, and increased operational costs. How does predictive maintenance change the game? Predictive maintenance shifts teams from reactive firefighting to proactive planning. It reduces manual inspection time, spare parts usage, and emergency repairs, saving time and cost. When implemented across multiple sites, it enables shared insights and a consistent performance improvements. It's a smarter, more strategic way to maintain systems, helping parcel customers stay ahead of the curve while improving overall operational efficiency.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.